And what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the garage. We're out here doing another video with the Hyundai Accent. As you guys have already seen, we got it wrapped up with the new set of wheels and tires. We got the gloss black drag DR33s from the last video. And this car is now coming together beautifully, coming together better than I could have ever expected. And it just looks so awesome right now with those black wheels on it. So the plan for today's video is to go ahead and add some vinyl to it. My wrap just came in right here. As you can see, we got ourselves a big tube of gloss black, looks similar to this. And that's exactly what we're going to be doing today, is vinyl wrapping it, specifically the roof. That's the one thing that I think I will vinyl wrap, at least for the time being, maybe later on the mirrors. But just like you saw me do in the past on the Fusion, we're going to go ahead and wrap this guy up. It's going to coordinate very well with the dark tint on the back and of course the tint on the front windshield. And it'll just be another mod that's going to make this guy look even better. But first things first, I'm actually got to go and get it cleaned up. Probably just pull it out of the garage, wash it real quick, and make sure we get all of the wax and gunk off of it like you've seen me do in my past videos. And then I think we'll be ready to start wrapping. So we'll be right back. We're good to go. The car is now clean. Roof is now nice and shiny, and I already started to kind of take some stuff off because just like in the Fusion, we're gonna have to take off the antenna to make sure we can have a smooth application all the way across the top. You just make your way in, put on the back headliner. There should be a screw back there, and that's literally all you have to do to take that off. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Actually, before we get started, I went ahead and took off the little roof trims, these two things here, which sit in this groove, just so I can get a good wrap around the corner. And they literally just pop off. They're just held in behind these little tabs by these little yellow and white clips. So literally, just like you do with everything else, use a plastic pry bar, get up underneath them, pull up, and it literally just pops right out the groove. So I'm gonna clean this gap up real good. Probably film most of this in a time lapse and pretty much get this guy done. And with that, the vinyl is now done and it looks beautiful. I tell you, this 3M vinyl, especially the new 2080 series, is just freaking amazing. It goes on extremely easy and it lays down smooth. And then one thing you may or may not have saw in the time lapse is it's got a protective coating over the top, similar to the edge trim that you saw me do on the Jaguar. So once I lay this all the way down, get it nice and rubbed out, I'll pull off that little clear protective film and it just reveals a beautiful shiny gloss black coat with zero rub marks. So now that I'm done with that, real quick, I'm gonna go ahead and install the trims down here, reinstall the antenna, and this project will be good and done. And with that, we are now back and assembled, got the trims on, antenna on, and it looks freaking amazing, just like I knew it would. Literally can't get over just how good it contrasts. And there you go, get a good bird's eye view of this roof. Look how smooth it is, how amazing, how shiny, how glossy, and just how awesome it looks with the black wheels contrasting with everything else. There's more to come, definitely more to come. Definitely a step in the right direction. and I am falling in love with this car every single day, every single mod that we continue to do. So with that, guys, thank you for watching Everything Avon. As always, first time at the channel, hit that subscribe button below, comment and like. Tell me if you have any more ideas you want me to do to this Hyundai Accent. Of course, like I said, sky's the limit with everything we can do with this guy. Thank you once again. Check you out in the next one.